it. $300 bargain time, a discount time. You know me eat just take up what you need now. $300, a bargain mother. We got the blows and the shots and the tight mother. Mother come cross and come back your eye mother. A bargain time, discount time mother.
$1,000 earbuds downtown, you see that?
Yeah,
do this and beat me trying the boy, you can't do this.
Everybody think I want 31st, I tell them I'm keen and them be chemo.
Yeah.
We don't have to pitch on street and they start with. You know what they are live in living color.
One kilo life, yo, at the four, energy, I want Maroon Man, you have the energy, people, you know how we work, energy, one Maroon Man, Bedford Street, West Street, you know how we are talking about people, right, that's how you get the chicken, neck, right, you know the...
Me don't know what them a pre-bout, a keynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Guys, you know the thing goes. Yeah, welcome. So guys, you know, as you see, I just left Iber Spice. You know, just had something to eat. You know, so I literally just came downtown to give someone something, you know, to promise them something. So I'm here and my mind just run on Maroon Man. So I said, let me call the Maroon Man and see where he is. Maroon Man I say, yo, you know, come downtown. So now I'm on King Street. I just find a park. So let me call Maroon Man and see where he
Where they?
boy, man, tell you.
One Maroon.
One Maroon man. I want to put up the camera, man. You know, I'm forward here, I'm sick up, man.
Yeah.
Mash me up, brother.
Take away the energy.
Yeah, see, take away energy cleaner. Come like me, say, I couldn't breathe up, but you know, this me I put out to the brother.
We are sell today.
Me never sell today. We are going on the street.
Alright.
Give them a walk, man.
Energy.
Yeah, man, a downtown, yeah. One Maroon, man, the energy type.
Yeah.
Right away. You see what I say?
Yeah.
So downtown still.
Yeah.
You know, although I'm in a field so good, but we still have to put in the energy.
Yeah.
One Maroon and our place, that's all.
Go through then.
Yeah. Key in life in Jamaica. You won't know.
Jamaica nice now, we get the youth to work, you know. Who don't want to work, them to go chuck off and buy river.
Don't
I see.
They need to find a work.
They need to find a work.
Yeah. What kind of advice you can give them?
General, that big one. I'm a general, big up in my bar.
So what kind of advice you can give the youths them? When they want work?
No, them for God, they go look
Go
where.
to look where? No.
Where God, they give enough, man.
From hustle.
Hustle and job.
Yeah.
Out there every day and every day we out there. 2 jobs me having, if me not go work, me go do some messy work, you know.
Yeah, man, you have to hard working like we.
Yeah.
Great work and done.
Yeah.
Be a juggler, you out there. Come in here now.
See the man they belt, the man say go work.
Yeah,
He
man,
go hustle
the
some
man,
belt.
general, my poor worker.
Yeah.
You see them youth that put out the work. Right now, them youth are 2-3 hours. I build one time. Out of bed.
Out of bed.
Out of bed. I'm here, we have a big yard.
Yo, Maroon man. Maroon, come here. Yeah.
Over here, so $1,000 again.
Yeah, Beckford Street, this with them. Straight down. Yeah, man, clean a life in Jamaica. You see it? Yeah, man, you know, say I start.
You know the star, man, we're in the star role, man. You see me? We're in the star role.
Them really out there.
Yeah, flip it out. Make them know, no, man. Make them know.
You don't know a downtown Beckford Street, Luke Lane.
Yeah.
Where all the girls can come and get some each up in the teacher, shop the teacher.
Yeah.
Pants, boyfriend, jeans, something down here.
Beckford
See
Street.
problem tights them here. When the girl them put on them here. So the girl them put on them here. It's a problem. 5 bills give boy problem. Hey girl, if you ever left the yard in and they want to them, I'm wet up clothes. Hey girl, you can't wear them here. Wet up your clothes. Now you can't wear this. Show them. Hey girl, you can't wear this. Come out of my house. Hey girl, you can't wear this. Come out of my house. You can't wear this. Hey girl, you can't wear this. Your body beg out the door.
Yeah, we're gonna come outside.
Hey girl.
Stay inside.
Hey girl, turn in here. Yeah, no. Hey girl, you can't come spend 5 bills buying this and wear you out of work.
Man.
You can't spend 5 bills
And wear this.
and wear this out of door, girl. Hey girl, you're mad. Hey,
Man. And the whole life shape out, so.
I show up the whole of your
Nah, go work.
can't work.
Nah, go work.
What? 5 bills. Give boy a problem. 5 bills down at all. Spend 5 bills and give boy a problem. Boy, now the man has you spend 5 bills and one Beckford Street man. One Ray Cushion. Big Kid Ray over Instagram and TikTok. You go find me.
Big up yourself, man.
Bills? 5 bills? Alright.
Man, that's my general, yeah? Big up, man. Big up. One One Beckford Street.
Yeah, man, one Beckford Street. No more change the energy. And energy we deal in and love. Yeah, love we push out straight.
Yeah.
Beckford
And you will say
Street.
energy.
I will say energy.
Energy.
Yeah, I'm back near the bus off with my money.
Jaja. All of the richness.
Yeah.
Let me know if I be money in the bank. You feel like you're broke.
Yeah. Live nowhere now. Too rain, too storm. Storm, Mrs.
Same way.
Same way.
Sunday to Sunday.
Live nowhere, Sunday to Sunday. Me sell when me feel like. I know some people. Yo, I want Maroon, so me general.
Yeah.
That's
Key in
easy.
life in Jamaica.
Oh.
That's what I say.
That's
Youth
it.
I'm a real juggler, Bridget. Yeah, they want to lock the city, sell the best jeans. Show them a jeans.
Tight jeans them. Them jeans them have see there.
Yeah, man.
The girl them, my yo.
Yeah, man. Yo, show them the big bumper because the girl them love it. Yeah, man. I want to say, man.
Watch that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Wow, so
I
lost.
said, shit, the Nicki Minaj run down. Cardi B, Vanessa girl that run down.
Full of shit.
Them shit, yeah. Yeah, man.
Well,
Yeah, man. That is it.
yeah, that is it.
Yeah, man. That is it. Lord Jesus, man. I want, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. That is it, baby. Check me now.
General BJ. Yo, big up BJ.
BJ.
Yo, them man are selling all the blows in the lady them.
Them busting like a major kite.
Bust them, man. Them are the summer blows them for girl them. Yeah, man. Summer blows them girl.
How much for one? How much you sell one for? Make them know, man. 300.
$3 man sell one. Ladies, Bedford Street, right front of Stylish. Yes, a BJ there. Just come get your thing.
Summer way. See there?
My street.
The weather is hot. They know your thing.
I'm running gong.
I'm on the ground.
One Maroon Man.
One Maroon. I'm going to show you the whole place. I'm boss.
Alright then. So Maroon Man Street with them pan. And I beg for
Look
a Maroon Man Street.
get your thing back here. Watch that.
Get your big body one now, my sister.
So a big batty one there. Lord God, watch out.
And that's it there.
I want a life. Keep the life in Jamaica.
Yeah, check it out, yeah?
Check it out.
One
Subscribe.
Maroon Man. Oh, we know that brother in there, man. We know that brother in there. We know that brother in there. We know that brother in there.
I'm a general list. Keep the life in Jamaica. You don't know how we're working.
Yeah. What we have in here? What we have in here? What is 39 good?
Yeah, man. No boys, what is that?
Yeah, no boys.
You know? Yeah, man.
And the 39 good, and you think that?
Yeah, man, you think they're for me, man.
Girls are drugs. Girls are drugs. See there? Tell them which way you're there. Tell them which way you're there.
Yeah, but they're front of us, you know?
Yeah.
Right back, they go straight, you see?
You see me? No joke. Yeah? Alright, see there? Image there, sir. Image, man. I just said the image there. Image.
I'm ready to do that. See me, boy. I love it, see me.
Yeah.
LA shot, my friend shot. 1500 woman pants, 1500 man pants.
1,500 pounds. 1,500 pounds.
Oh, Keen alive in Jamaica. One, Keen alive in Jamaica. That is it. Come and down. Pick up yourself. Tell me say you go walk through, you know. Yes. Say you walk through. Rasta. Show them what going on.
Tell them what going on. So what they are? What they are? Yes. Alright. What going on?
One friend, one. Downtown. Being alive. Downtown. Live. Look what go on.
Yes.
Everything.
How much am I go for?
2, 5 and 3, man. Look at that.
Cheap, man. Look at that money, man. Look at that money. See there?
Boyfriend fund, regular fund, plain fund, 1,500, 1,500 fund, 1,500,
YouTuber, they are told so we have to respect him because our brother. Man doing things. Now upliftment things. You understand? No man mind doing things. One thing about it. Out to out.
1,500 fund, boyfriend fund, regular fund.
You see this man? Every night that you tell you about the 4-way. The man taking every content. The man that don't sleep. Every you tell you.
See there, man.
That is it, big up the gym team, you know. One team and the gym team. One Keen alive in Jamaica. Big up yourself, Rasta Jackson.
Tell us some your pass through.
Man, that's a respect. Show them what one.
Yeah, see there?
One real youth down a town.
Yeah.
Look good.
See there?
Look good.
Image them, I love the quality them.
Them thick.
Love the quality
Material them thick. Nice.
I like the look, I like the look. I like the look.
When you come a town and come on Beckford Street and Princess Street, come right at the corner. One real youth down a town.
One real.
5 mil ties. Summer ties to the girl them.
Yeah.
Come on Jamaica now, summertime now. Come on Jamaica, $500.
Of course, you can't go wrong.
And we have the cargo skirt them. Now let's go to the cargo skirt them.
$500 too?
No,
$2 grand. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So the cargo skirt there, we're not talking about Egyptian, the cargo one.
yeah, look good.
Yeah, guys, so we're there. First thing I want, you know, as I said, it depends what happen, you know.
Yeah, man, I want Maroon. You know Maroon Man. See them all type of style like the football style. See them coming like a fool over there. Yeah, I'm coming like I'm great Britain. Yeah, you know how we dealing it. One key in a life in Jamaica. Yo, heal up. Take time out to heal up. Rasta Johnson. All of the crew. Big up.
And boom, boom.
Yeah, yo, boom. Big up yourself, boom. The general. That's what I say. One key in a life in Jamaica. One family. We are stroller.
Yeah, we are stroller.
Yeah, man, we don't come here for all the price. Come on. Bargain time, discount time. $300 with a little $400. Yeah, man, dig up and take up your life. Bargain time, discount time. Yeah, man, dig up and take up. 3 bills with a little $2 Check out the blouse, them shorts, them tights, them the man shirt, them the boy shirt, them. Check out the bargain. $300 with a little $2 bills. Come on. $300 with a little bit of $4 minute. $300 bargain. Bargain time. And discount time. You know me eat just take up what you need now. $300. A bargain, mother. We got the blouse and the shorts and the tights, mother. Mother come cross and come back your eye, mother. A bargain time, discount time, mother. You know me eat, mother. Take up what you need, mother. $300. A 300. So $300 bargain. 3 bills with a little bit of $4. Me now hold no price and thing. Yeah, man, 3 bills with a little bit of $4. Yeah, man, $300 with a little bit of $4.
Smell good side.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah. I have here one gathering. I'm a general of the youth. Them man are force me to poor people. Them man 200, 100, from right at the man. Some man are stand back, one gathering. Yeah, big up. Wow, yeah, man, I beg for this. I want Bedford Street.
Yeah.
People, holiday. Yeah, run, come in at Bedford Street. Come get a lick for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Come get the kids for tomorrow.
Yeah.
I want Maroon Man. Look ya. Look how town crowded.
Hey, crowded. Yeah.
Yeah, man. People come like a Christmas at town today.
Yeah, watch it here.
Yeah, big up the general. Yeah, man, and them man are selling good blows them. Yeah, man, they have the artist blows them. Ladies, them blows are hot. Yeah.
Alright.
Them girl, you lock the place with the slipper, baby slipper. I want to see your youth. You know. Yeah, when they just come from Bedford, where you say?
Where you say?
Bedford, one can eat kids' feet.
Yeah. That's what I say. All like school shoes them and them. Ladies get you back to school. Shoes them early, sir. And you know I want Bedford.
One Bedford. Come the street with that. Big up.
Yeah. Shot man.
Makes it active in the street, but I like. Makes it active on the street. So they have Beckford Street. One Beckford Street. You know, pick up on yourself. Just spot somebody and take a picture from the rear side. one phone.
Yeah, one Maroon in it.
Yeah. And we are Tradan.
We are Tradan people. Tradan from Beckford Street. That's all the street long. Yeah, man. One liquor. Big up my girl.
One liquor.
Yeah, one liquor.
I never told.
Yo, key the life in Jamaica. You see them girl, real hustler girl, we sell them hot tea. She travel, Yo, last night I watch your daughter. I want her, me see. She a chance star. She have an entertainer daughter.
Oh, what's your name? Okay. We don't want man. Yeah, man, see there. Famous daughter, yeah, man. What you have here? Tell him where.
Kind of thing. You see my son, yeah?
Yeah. Lie, I tell, man. See the resemblance still, you know. They look too young to have a big man like this, man. We are some man.
What's up? Big.
I told that.
People come and tell them.
Yeah, can't believe for real, man. We are some man. I say it go, man. You know, good gene. A good gene, man. You see there? Summer wear is here. I've got Gino life in Jamaica. Big up yourself.
Many times come to town, you have to stop yourself. We are one of the face and
Yeah. So Kino life in Jamaica. Maroon Man, you can tell you.
Yeah, Bedford Street and this is JR, otherwise known as J.
Yeah.
A.K.A. Mr. Slick.
Yeah. The man's called himself Mr. Who? Slick boss. There you go. One Bedford Street. So that's where they guys are road through. We have Maroon Man in the street. You know it goes already. I'm a general.
I bitter as man. Bitter like that.
Bitter. Yeah. Bitter like Ross. So what you guess was sweet? Like when you name bitter Ross, they must have something was sweet, but fit on feet.
I just think
their clothes were neat.
They want to know neat.
Yeah, you see they're neat.
And they want to do it.
And they have the Crocs and well neat. Gucci. You have the Crocs and you have the Polo. You name it. Everything is here. So everything look well neat. Crocs pan feet, you see me? In a bit tight sweet.
And a Crocs pan feet alone, gold pan teeth.
Gold pan teeth, see them man.
Yeah man, I'm a Rasta entertainer friend. Yeah man, I'm a man that do all the ads and all big artists, see them here.
Yeah.
So I say, you know Bedford Street, a pin to an anchor there on the street here. You know people. Energy! I want Maroon Man. Energy!
They come and look black, you go to left. Hey,
so you're gonna end up left, bro. Yeah. Along the road, you go.
I want down in a sea.
Could never told that.
When me love so.
Yeah.
Catch down business, hot shots, them and them from them. People, you know.
2 sale more want to right now.
2 sale.
2 sale.
We know said the other day is slow. I know in a store all like money them a spend. You see, but you know what? Food and feed same way.
Same way. Dan, big up, yeah?
See her, man, bigger up. She don't pass me. Them girl, anyway she see me, she pick me up.
Yeah.
They buy one water, you know?
One Maroon Man.
Yeah, man, I want Maroon. That's how we do. Everybody love it. Energy! Right now, they look for punk them.
Yeah.
Yeah, one Bedford. Big up in the shot.
Is it? They call it Maroon Man Street.
Yeah, man, I'm Maroon Man Street.
Is that Bedford?
You're not a panga. I'm not saying link it. So circle and come on.
Yeah.
Yo, so the Rasta, big up my general. I want to feel. Them man that sell all like artist chain them. Rasta come catch a cosmetic chain. See them man that sell the best chain right here. So, ladies, See them, they're all gold, all ears ring. You have any type of ring you want. Come right here, sir. One Rasta. People come right to Bedford Street and Matches Lane corner. Bedford Street, Matches Lane corner. Alright, yes, sir. You get anything from a pin to a anchor. Energy! Energy! Yeah! I want energy. I want that man. Come in.
Yeah, sir. But Maroon Man get back his energy. Is not sick anymore.
People.
Yeah.
Listen, what there? This floating will lick me down.
Yeah.
Just right now. Fight. Energy. Me push out them sweater. Watch out.
Yeah.
Push it out. Oh, we can't. Yo, right now, we can't make no sickness and nothing get me down. Yeah. Food. One Maroon. One Maroon. Yo, big up them youth.
Yeah.
One Maroon. One Maroon. Real man. Them know man life Maroon.
One Maroon.
You know. Big up yourself.
Industry. Yeah.
So yes, it's a global. Global. Alright, come on. One Maroon. Yeah, man.
One Maroon. This is the Maroon Man Street. Yeah. So, no way, man. What's your rifle, man?
Don't fight for them.
Yo, people, officer, don't come kill me. A boat gun and a real gun. I tell you, a boat gun, don't come kill me later. Watch out, I'm for the king one and a my one.
Yo, that's camera in the cream.
Big up them Rasta.
Yeah. Both is Selassie.
Chaka Zone. Yeah. Chaka Zone. Ras, pick up yourself, yeah?
I'm too wicked. Bottom myself 1 to 250. 100, 150 and 250. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, man, one key in the life. Yo, at the four, energy! Energy! I want Maroon Man. You have to have the energy.
Yeah.
People, you know how we run. Energy! One Maroon Man. Bedford Street, West Street. You know what we are talking about, people. Right, that's how you get the chicken neck. Right in the pan, the chicken neck there. Yeah, people, right, yes, sir. Yeah, man, the nicest food. One from the boss. Enough respect.
They can't eat
They can't eat
You can't eat that. Kino life in Jamaica. You hear love Kino life. Hear love Kino life.
Yeah,
Big up, man.
Yeah, man. I want to hear some type of this, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Patrick, man. Me always big him up all one.
Yeah, man.
You see, I ain't still me here, man. I tell them love the energy.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean, that.
Yeah, man. I am big subscriber. Big up in her. Big up in her. Mommy, big up in her.
The cranberry them?
Oh, God, man.
Yeah.
Maddest thing, bro. Maddest thing, bro. Maddest thing, you know what I tell you. Yeah, man. I love that.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
Big up.
I can tell from the camera.
You tell.
Come in, my man. Big up my general slippers.
My general.
Them on them, my brother them.
I want place, man. I want place.
Yeah, I want place.
I'm a homie.
Alright, you see it? I see it? Just cool on my family. Them on them, my brother.
Yeah, man.
From a different mother. That's how we do it. One love we say.
Yeah, man. Alright, yeah. One place. Yeah.
And now we take it back. Come in, I want this. I want Maroon Man.
The guys are boss there. The guys are boss there.
I want Gaza boss. See me Jamaica walk by TV. That's a one link. Kino and Jamaica walk by TV. One umbrella. Big up Kino.
One Gaza.
Big up the whole of downtown Kingston. You hear that brawling? Watch out now. You hear the boys and see the face and know shut the boss. Babes, follow my page on the TikTok, the Prodigy. $1,000 earbuds downtown. You see that? Do this and beat me China boy. You can't do this. Remember we have original. We have the up with them. So if you have iPhone, just link me. Kino, give them a nice close them.
See them man. I the summer wear them.
This is the halo.
The halo.
Yeah. Other people say 10 grand, me say 4 grand. Now wholesale me I sell a single bag.
Quick and fast.
Brawling man.
Quick and fast.
And me have the hot dress. This is summer dress. They say the new song we can't see my name. I know,
yeah.
When you tour make your body show.
See that?
And this morning girl left tip up in and bend over.
I know.
If you see everything.
I know. I know.
One shut up. Energy. I want shut up boss. One boss. Tell the boss name. Money. Rock back. You hear that me? One money rock back. One shut up boss. I want Kino. Fully Gaza.
One Gaza.
Boss. Anywhere. Fully Gaza. What see me and what's Gaza CD.
A long time you said that.
What is that?
I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
Everybody I want to talk first. I tell them on Kino, never be chemo. We don't have to pitch on street and they side me. You know what they are live in living color. Remember good look good. I mean say bird them a fly. I mean say Tom Cruise. I mean when the dance them jog. I mean say traffic. Them can't stop it. Block it. Them a turn we are wear. They get any clothes we are wear. Remember summer. Come to everything else. So everything them a turn from a pin to a nanka. You can't miss. Misses to this. Come and get a summer wear. I'm here.
Best price ever.
The best price. $1,000 man. $1,000 for your suit. My girl, you do it. Top wear one suit and come buy a $1,000 suit and look good and remember good. I'm out.
Remember good man. Out.
Kino, watch it now. Hey boy, Jeff Progress, stop talking about Gaza. Can you try bring down the Gaza? We don't remember you upon the Gaza. Go one side, we don't use you as a blogger. You see Jeff Progress, the big mouth one when you Nico Fire, and the one when you Footer Hype, and the mouth big like the girl in back pocket. We not use you upon the Gaza. Back up man, I own a boy. One way boss, hey boy. What a girl in here, Trashy. One on the Kino, that girl in Trashy. And Matrisha. Hey girl, Matrisha. Back up. One way boss, one Gaza, I own a man. What is that now?
I'm out. Cool man, big up general, man. Hey, I'm telling you, Jamaican is something else. The energy, the vibe, like it's different thing. Boy, I love my culture, man. The energy and the vibe.
I'm a family them. The camera team, but I'm a general them. You see me them, you give me all the respect.
See them and all of the respect. We not leave back none. That's everything. See them and all.
General hard work.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. One Maroon Man, one Kino life in Jamaica. One Shatawa. Yo, a downtown this.
Roll.
A family.
Sure, we are sure.
Yo, shut up. Me are sure with the Gina.
Full of man, you know what think of man. More love, man. Yeah, man. More love. Alright then.
General Joseph.
Close, man. Close. Joseph.
$50 does give $50 scale and 150. 150 upon the scale and 150. 150 upon the scale and 150. Scale and time 200. 200 the 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 scale
just eat a while ago, man. How much in the bag, yeah? Yeah, man, this can complain all this.
Yeah, man, the soul come here.
Mama, the farmer in the bed, tomato price, 160 upon the tomato, 160. White face tomato, sketchup. 160 upon the tomato, 160. Sweet pepper, 350. 350 upon the sweet pepper.
Yeah, give me a next far.
B2 Philip blood count. 200 upon the B2 to 200. B2 Philip road. 200 upon the B2 to 200. B2 Philip blood count. 200 upon the B2 to 200. 100 like Kukuma 100.
Yeah, man, I run coach one Maroon Man. I saw him there. We are saying
okay, $50. $50 give okay, $50. Skeleton 150. 150 upon the skeleton 150. 150 upon the skeleton 150. Skeleton time 200. 200 give skeleton time 200. 200 give skeleton time 200. 200 give skeleton time 200.
I don't guess I'm get the juice. I'm gonna test I don't
Fuck for the parade stick. Big up the general and them man them ganja, come right, how much you want? 2 ganja, any one of them ganja. Right down there, sir. Just come and get any ganja. You know, big up the them girls are selling body blows, them and them stuff there. Am I brown in this thing here?
Yeah, say get them. Back to school.
Yeah, man, all the back to school, all of them things.
Back to school. Aight man.
You're holding for them. I'm keen on life in Jamaica where I make a go through, yeah? Sure. Well, I girl are pretty, man, it's nice. I sell some nice jeans. I go through me keen on life in Jamaica, you know? See my brother and my mommy. Yeah. Family. Big up. I'm there now. I'm mostly up down, man. I'm not too sell at all again. Yeah, man, I'm a keen of life in Jamaica. I got through, you know. Yeah, man, them you
big up, man. Big up.
So big up on yourself, you know. Rasta, I know you're not working video. Come. Yeah, I'm keen of life in Jamaica. To the general.
Our brother not here. Where am I here? Giveaways?
No, I sell.
Sailorways.
Cheap, you know.
Where I sell?
Pants there too, and you know, see the shirt them there.
Yeah. Are you this, right?
Yeah, man.
One Burlard, man. A long time Burlard say fashion over style, you know.
See all the bag them here.
Back to school.
Yeah, man.
Back to school. So see there. So if you run out of back to school bag, you can come check Burlard.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, the real killer them here, no spray ground them here, real one. Alongside the Timberland them.
Oh, cooler, man.
Them thing, you know?
Yeah. Summer is out. Yeah. So when summer is out, you know it's back to school.
See.
So you know everything from getting to school back. Burlard, you know everything going on. Yeah. So the Burlard corner. So yeah.
Jamaica people here. Everything about money and then can't spend money. Some of them just want money if you walk up here and keep down there one another.
Yeah.
And run down money, then I no use the money. Nothing positive enough for them people here. We are run down money. Now do with money. When they get money, I be evil then do with money.
Yeah.
That's why they have to continue to gravelicious the money. Wow, big
pot corner, this is the pot corner. Pot corner, this is the pot corner.
I'm a keen life I walk through.
That's it, mommy. Good day. Maroon man, I'm on the whole of town, you know.
Some of them people they no love. They don't love me even themselves. They just bend up their face and look savage every day. Energy! Me have energy. I want your happiness with daily. I want some boring people. Yo, I know sometimes I get over the proportion with the bad word, but we know that to cut out, that to splice out. I want Maroon Man, I want Kino Life in Jamaica. Energy! Yo, big up the
that we need the energy. Hello, hello. So the big pot, small pot, Dutch pot, any pot you want.
Yo, right, I'm buy jars to my girl. Yes, are the jars here. Yes, I'm come get the nice cotton jars them. Woman, ladies, ladies, you know we have spandex jars in a them time. Yeah, we have cotton jars. I want this. You know, yes, I'm come buy my jars. A long time you know see me free girl them. Yo, Monday week me come buy 6 jars see girl them. Cause you know when my woman then change the jars them. I have a little picnic the trainers them back to school. Everything there, so back to school panty we have the underpants of the youth them. Yeah man, straight up. Come here say you get all back to school thing. I want Maroon Man. Come here.
Energy.
Energy. You know. Circle the globe. One. I'm a thing there. Come on. Money. Me not know family. That's easy, you know. Yo, I want Maroon Man. Talk to me. Because you don't know. Kena, come here. Come catch a lady. See her. A lady has said the most nice thing them. The Jamaica thing them. The dresser thing them. You see all them nice church dresser. Ladies, we have all type of dress. We have this uniform them. Back to school. The right order. Reasonable price. See back to school dress them. Yeah man, we have the back to school shoes them. Everything. See my baby down here say them are the Jamaica something them.
African.
Yeah, Africa. What them call them material?
Dashiki.
Yeah, them are the Dashiki African. Black man, black maybe. Never again picture my identity. Black man, black maybe. Never again picture my identity. Say me a one Maroon Man, or 2 Maroon Man, me a 1 Maroon Man.
Hey, Dashiki.
Big up my mommy, you know. Yeah, man. You know, I'm a people, them are keen. Them people are support me. So me have to come give them a strength. People see the shoes, them are the nice sneakers, them the Nike original. When they want original thing, you have to come around here, so. Yeah, so the New Balance, them are hot. Them woman and herself see them real shit them. Come right here, sir. Alright. You see Matches Lane and West Street. Come round here, sir.
Round a header.
Yeah, right round a header, yes, sir. Yo, you see this? One of them I want to know. How much is something like this, baby?
Hey, you can answer you me for who's for the price, but I tell
you. Okay.
Just see me now, I want to soft shoes.
Oh, come.
We are around 10-11.
10-11. Your size there. Just have to whisper your price. She cannot say it too loud.
I love them shoes.
See them?
Yeah, man, because here one or two I can't wear the rough shoes them in the star. But
squeeze in. Go on, baby, go on.
Pass it. Comfortable wear.
Good man, comfortable man.
I fit you.
Yeah man, it fit me man.
Patronize me. You patronize me.
Yeah. So she go on and check. It's a girl who patronize me man. I buy it from her man. Because them soft shoes them I have to wear.
There's a man in the street.
Yeah, and
then back to school shoes. Come show them the back to school shoes. I'll go to take up some.
But me not buy shoes in a box, baby. Just take it out of the box. Everybody.
What you? What are you?
I see him every day.
You say never see a man like him yet?
I see a long time I don't see him. I years I know him.
Oh, I see him busy man.
See me here?
Maroon Man.
You want to go on, mommy? I want Maroon. I just grab a soft thing because you know a soft kick, you know.
Yeah.
You don't see it. I'm a friend still. She support me. I just give her a bicycle. You don't see it.
Them good.
Yeah, man. Them
strong, comfortable. Yeah.
For what? There are some runs I sell to our store. When you see that woman that she support me hard, so.
Give her back a support.
Yeah, man. I want to, man.
Yes, man. That's it. You have to show the love where the love showing from, you know?
Yeah, man. Yes,
you want me to tell you? Yes.
Yeah,
Youth. Think up, yeah man, cool now. Alright, then take care, right?
Alright, pick it up.
No, not stand up, you know, we are circle the globe, you know.
So one thing with me, I
No, man, I just want something so because, yeah, man, I don't want to
dress.
Back to school. Start the truth. Yeah, so. Oh, just assure them yesterday back to school, all the make sure so they come early, you know, because them going to run right. Oh, how is school is? How is school is full school? Green.
Uniform skirt.
So tell them which part exactly them can come find us to get the uniform clothes them mommy. Tell them which part.
Redemption Arcade shop number 2.
Yeah.
Name Nana.
Yeah. Tell them again.
My name Nana. Redemption Arcade shop number 2.
Oh, back to school uniform there. See there. And khaki as well to school boy, everything. So see there. Arcade.
Yeah, man.
Alright, yeah, mommy.
Energy! Energy! You know one Maroon Man. Yo, people. You know, man. Downtown, it's such a nice, good feeling.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So, me generally, I'm here and I'm out of here to in the building. You know, when I left out the building, I want something hot to drink. You know, not go up on the ice. Hot. Yeah, how much it is? Yeah, you want to juice my bar? But not my boss.
Yeah,
no boss. Thing, boy, after. One sit in my car, boy, I'm not like I'm thirsty.
Yeah, drink more water.
Yeah, water, man, but I feel like more than drink of energy.
I use the energy, you know.
You know, I miss the energy. You know.
A double energy, you know. So more explosion. More explosion from the Maroon boy. I can't match the Maroon Man energy. Yo, so whenever I'm around the Maroon Man's like me lose my energy. I cannot match it. I swear to God.
Yes.
Yo, I cannot match the Maroon Man energy. Like whenever I'm around him, it's like my energy just gone. Like nothing no left, it gone. The man love too much. The man take away energy for gain for him energy. Man, I lie. You know? Look how Maroon Man a sweat. Look how the man a sweat. But Maroon Man. I swear the energy is coming from.
Yeah, man, you know the energy we are working.
Yo, it come like whenever I come around, yo, like I take out the whole of my energy. Yeah, much energy.
When me just forward, me never had no energy.
Yeah.
But me not lie, I'm a fine energy from them.
Hey, me I tell you, man, so my energy you take will gone right now.
Yo, family, yo, a cleaner like this, you know, you're a cleaner. I didn't want to bet in this, you know.
Oh, remember, man, get the birthday cake.
Yeah, man. You don't know, man. Big up.
Yeah.
You know, you see it?
Yeah, man.
Really
well. Family.
Trenchtown to Rostown.
Alright, you know what I think.
Connection.
Big up
yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, D, big up yourself. I want to see you back.
Alright, see there. Yeah.
Yeah, the general.
Well, Biggs again, energy by taking away my energy.
Yeah, what? Hey, Mr. Moore, push out the floor. Energy! Yo, we are cup blood. One go on. I want Maroon, you alright? Energy! Yeah, man, that man, I ever see me. Yo, that man, big up the G. You know, that man, give me respect, give me love. That man, I love the town.
Man, the energy, we up.
Yo, that's cool, man. I said the flow mash me up.
Yeah.
And I said, I'm going to see.
Cut that road, Baja.
Sweat me, I set out the flow. Yeah, man, so you know, energy. What energy? Yeah, me cheese.
Yeah, the man. Oh, yeah, there I go.
Yeah, me I pick up.
Alright, there I go.
Yeah, pick up them shots, sir.
Yeah, summer. 5 years.
5 years. We have all the people one them too.
Can't go wrong, man.
We have a youth one them too.
Can't go wrong.
What feel like you them?
Quality them nice as well too.
Nice one.
500. 1 and go. 5 and go.
Just buy 150.
Anything at 500. We have all the baby sharks there. Sorry, man. Yo, energy! Yo, me not lie, I'm a boss a belt. That mean me the poison. That mean me fit.
Yeah.
Because if you drink or you eat or you don't belt, something wrong with you. I want Maroon Man.
Yeah, yo, my general, big up. Yeah. Energy. Energy, boy. Where my energy gone?
I want Maroon.
Yo, you sweat out the whole of the flow, the Maroon man.
Sweat out the flow today.
Right.
I just want me. Big up the Rasta friend. Them man that sell the hottest shoes. Them man that sell the hottest shoes at Peter's Lane.
Yeah.
If you know real Rasta youth.
Sure.
Straight up, my brother. Big up Rasta.
Rasta.
So my friend there, one key in life in Jamaica.
Big up, Mama, big up.
That's the best food there.
Tell him again.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let me tell you.
Yeah, tell him.
The same friend.
Yeah.
The same friend where the one who wash around on.
Yeah.
The same the guy was on.
Leader.
Yeah, leader. A leader, baby mother.
Okay, see?
I want you to them it's a washer when I rain it fall.
Yeah. Baby mother this.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't want link, man. Big up yourself, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. You gotta talk then. Yeah? Gotta talk. Yeah. I'm general. Cool, man. Big up yourself, man. Yeah? Yeah, man. Manners, man.
You know what style, man. Big up yourself. Big up them lady. Kina Ketchup. Kina life in Jamaica. Mommy, grand kidney and daughter.
What? Generation, family. Mommy, see there, you started.
You look like problem, big up darling. That man, years been them out on the street and sell the best food them. Come right as a Saturday time. The ground provide them food. You get your honey and your scale and your time, everything. If you go in your soup and them something you get right as a tall man, the greats that. You know, tallest. One of them time.
Get with the ground provide. Remind them how we street to the pan right now.
Alright, right now with the pan Spanish Town Road.
This one?
Yeah. Spanish Town Road I got to Sorry.
Okay.
So I may say, Spanish Town Road alongside. You have this one, Princess Street.
Okay.
Princess Street.
Down at the corner.
Yeah. Enough people live at town, born at town, and know the street.
Yeah, I know the street.
So we have to make them know each street to go on.
But I want to say at least time I never know so this street is Spanish Town Road right here.
Yeah, man, right here, so go back out there somewhere.
I never knew so this was Spanish Town Road also.
So you see, never too big to learn.
Yeah.
You see me?
I never know. Going up to the party.
Right now, them man that sell the best food at all.
Acha.
Them man that sell the best food.
Acha.
Acha.
Aye.
Yeah.
Aye. Don't I get close off, you know.
Yeah, man, but say it go from here. You know people them are shop till and drop to them. You see it? Shop till and drop.
Shop and not stop.
I'm a general link in the skin of life in Jamaica. Yeah. Man, I sell the hottest jeans, the hottest of them. Right here, so come on the van, come get any hot jeans, any hot Gianzi. You're one link in that. Right here, so. You know.
One link. Everybody here. Are you have to be the true ambassador for down here now? Maroon Man.
You know, be an ambassador for downtown, man. Them feel like say.
Wait, so when you bleach, you're whiter than them?
Whiter than them people, them I tell you.
Them cool guys, can you really imagine say Maroon Man the white?
White like
could you really imagine say Maroon Man used to bleach and them and they used to white? Imagine that. Well, I might look for some picture, see if we can see. Imagine that. White
man, people have begged me every day, man.
Never stop.
No, them beg me to stop in a kino.
Yeah.
But them beg me say.
You know, you have to go send me that picture, send me the picture and show them better on the screen.
I have to find enough of them because I'm a black. Alright, this is one does what they on my thing. But my white and that, them time that when me dust a bit, I be a them black one I go say. But me I get some white one and show you, man. 2 million on credit and something up on the phone. You know I go say.
Send them to me, man.
Yeah, man, so white. You know me have some picture when me be a white man.
Yeah.
Y'all walk in me and I say, what you use?
Yeah.
Mix. Who want some of the mix? I want you mix. Hey, me black today, white tomorrow. White tomorrow, black the other day. White the other day, so we deal with it. Yo, I want clean life. Energy! Energy! I want Maroon Man, downtown. You know, clean life in Jamaica. I want Maroon Man, superstar Maroon. You know, big up the whole of me G them in night fear. You know.
Yo, the man take away all my energy. Well, I flew the sweat out and gone now, Maroon Man.
I sweat out and now.
What's a care, yeah?
Don't sweat. Big up in a girl, let me see good. Nice, you know. Yo, we tell you about you, so I'm back. You know, so we never know. No! Yo, give me one minute. Yo, big up the kind man, you know. Them man I say the best corn at town. Real corn, man. Show me that pocket. Real corn will sell. You know when I sell that town. I'll be a $5, $6. How much them are gone for you now? Small. I want a small one then. Yeah man, them man have a good old corn.
Yeah.
So I circle around and come get to it. Yeah. Get a champion. Look how she look good. Look how girl black. Me say if a girl stand up, you see man.
Yeah.
Yeah. And nothing pretty. Yo, big up yourself. You know. Them girls that sell the good old food. Yeah. Come right as a parade. Right a parade and stop light. You see me? Food. The good old roast bread, the good old sour sap and them things. So they have a card, good old pear them. You find the rest right out in the parade there, sir. Just come by your kings of kings.
That is it.
Black Africa, you know, black Ethiopia, you know. Mama Africa, you know.
That is it.
One Maroon Man, I will say black I am and black I may be. Never again to change my identity. One Maroon Man, one Rasta lover. You know, my name is Maroon Man from Foundation. A long time they have me on them plantation. And cup me foot and cup me hand. Now me release as a black Jamaican. Yes,
Aye.
That's it. Yeah, man. Them man say the good old yam. Them yam make you fast like Usain Bolt. The good old country yam. Right now shelling.
These are the Usain Bolt yams.
And I go over there now. Them man I yam no each bank yam.
Yeah, sell out. Big up.
Yeah, because girl they just love me. Yeah. For some reason they love a thick black man. Yeah, so you have some boy that's in them feeling and vex. But we now watch them. I who them? I want Maroon Man. Yeah, so
The man save you.
Life in Jamaica. We are what? The boss say we are hard working you. We don't fear the camera. We are superstars. See picture of them and they say the best pumpkin in the town. Look for them pumpkin on the yellow. Come right and say you get a good old pumpkin there. You see what I say? Pretty pumpkin. How much a pound means? What? Just 150 a pound. You see what I say? Yeah, see the okra you have them here the slime. Oh, you feel not get okra when you come at town. Oh, you feel come at town and you buy okra. Then the okra make you slippery. Yeah, you know.
Big up for General, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
So we are head back to parking.
Yeah, yeah, on King Street.
Yeah. You know.
Bus parade. All of the government bus.
Yeah, man, all of the government bus them here. I hear so then they although they make the people them have to stand up all long out here. Yeah. People work whole day and stand up on their foot and work and have to come stand up and wait for a bus again. Mr. Government, do little better for the people them. No bus stop no out here, so son, all of them son they done the people them. They have talk for some of them. Yeah man, for real man, do little better man.
Yeah.
Send bus on timing. When you're in the UK, you know, you can just look on the sign and they tell you when bus come. Yeah. Them never late as yet. Why Jamaica so buckle time? They can't take this buckle time place. Yeah, this place is just behind. Yeah. And we don't deal it behind.
No, forward. Forward. The bus stop place and the bus place want some shelter.
Yeah man, want some shelter because when sun hot out of it.
Hot.
Hot?
Yeah.
You just a sweat so.
Yeah. So everything is closing off now, as you can see. Everything is closing off. Hello. Big up. Everything is closing off now, guys, as you can see. You see that girl? It's not bladder.
No bladder. Kino life in Jamaica. This is Anna K. Kino.
Yeah.
This is my wife to be. Me and her is married. No man,
put on some of them and push for the arm.
You want to see?
Yeah, I want to go on TV.
Look, want to go on TV? Alright. Let's want to go on TV. Say hello.
Hello.
What's your name? So she want to go on TV, guys. So she's on TV now, right? You being a good girl? Alright, come here, mommy's going. Come catch mommy. Come, so she want to go on TV. You going back to school soon?
Yeah.
Okay. You helping mommy sell?
Yeah.
Nice. Wow. Yeah, I like her personality. She said she want to go on TV.
Yeah, that's bright.
She do good, bright. Where school you go to?
St. Anne's Primary.
Oh, St. Anne's. Where you going? You feel chair?
Yeah, I'm going to help this and come back, you know. They go and help her push her and just go over there. How far the car there? I'm over there, Chacha. Yeah, the man have to go out.
Come on, help her, make it help her, man.
Yeah, I help her.
You have to help her, man.
Wallet.
You want wallet? Alright, video your mommy. Video your mommy. Look, see there, video mommy. Mommy that.
Yeah, mom, they're on TV.
Yeah, mommy they're on TV.
What
idea we are come here when we are going river?
You want to see yourself?
Yeah.
See there?
I see myself.
See yourself?
I go on TV.
Yeah, go on TV. Come see your mommy and go. Come help your mommy push. She go up on TV. Big L push. You're not heavy though. You're not heavy. You can't push it. Real hustler mommy, you know?
We can see it on my TV.
Yeah, you can see it on your TV.
No.
Watch it start called Kino Live. I'm going to tell your mommy what's the name of it, yeah? Okay. Mommy. Thanks. Yeah, I'm going to tell her the name of it so the girl can watch it on the TV. Saturday.
But do what you know. You never tell me about it.
Oh, you know me. So, yeah.
No, she know you're cleaner.
And so that means she well know it's a good thing what she go on.
Yeah.
They know a good video you go on.
She know, man.
Yeah. Come on the road.
Hold on.
She named Sharaya. Sharaya. Her name no gold dust. Video mommy one more time then. Yeah, video mommy. Tell mommy to say hello.
Mom say hello.
Why, I love this up there.
Yeah, video mommy. So tell them bye. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Alright. Thank you.
Driver, you come on now.
Yeah, come back.
Not today. Bye-bye, yeah?
Yeah, come back over here.
Alright, guys, I know the thing goes already. Let me say.
Yeah, man, I
It was an energetic day today.
Yeah, man, I was a good day, man.
Once with the Maroon Man. You know, once with the Maroon Man is pure energy. So it was that day where everyone said, Keen, I need to go and make a video with the Maroon Man. So we just did it.
Yeah. Where my head go? When it's going there?
Eh?
Where my head go?
This take up what room? One living room that take up. Yeah, man. The girl that will love KFC. Oh, them girls that love KFC, so. Right, that's how you find KFC people.
Yeah.
The noon and night, you don't have to cook on your yard. Come on KFC. You see, it's a pretty brown, you know. Yes, that girl, she pretty like Jesus Christ, but there's no fight from camera still, but she pretty. None of them pretty girls, and we can't get one of them. Lord God, see my friend around there, so. I want Barbie, two Barbie.
One Barbie.
Okay. Yo, so my brown in her, she hide, but she pretty no blood.
You see her face now?
You're not pretty girl enough for her on camera. She feel up in a blood clot camera.
Look on her browning.
Right now, any man with a married to this girl.
Yeah.
Trust me, any man get this, put on the ring for it. Alright, Brownie, big up yourself. Big up with that girl. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I want King Street people.
Yeah.
And yeah, so we are going to close the show, you know.
Yes, guys, they know we are close off right now. It's an energetic day. They kind of take out the whole of my energy.
Yeah, man.
You know where the thing goes. So
big up the people, you don't know my people. And one love, one aim, one destiny. You see what I say? One love will spread people.
Yeah.
We just say love and good. You know. From my heart, straight up one key in life in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You see what I say? And you know, I blessed love my people.
And that is it, guys.
Yeah,
You know,
man,
think one Maroon Man.
You have the link still.
Yeah, man.
You know my
family. There you go. One Maroon Man. Nothing about energy, may I tell you. The man take out the whole of my energy. You cannot match his energy. So, that's the same with me. So, bless and love, guys. Peace. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. gonna be a better end.